Hello Internet, welcome back to Total Tech. My name's Tom and I figure it out so you don't have to. In this video, I am going to show you how to monitor the text messages off of any phone without installing spyware onto that device. Meaning no matter where that device is in the world, you will still be able to look at all of the text messages on that device without ever touching it. Now guys, before the almighty YouTube gods strike down this video in furious anger, let me be clear.
And you will know my name is the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon thee.
While the ability to spy on someone else's phone is a really amazing thing, as per YouTube policy, you can only do it legally if you are the parent of that child. Please be responsible. With that being said, guys, I am a real-world private investigator and ethical hacker, and if you need help monitoring the text messages on a device that you do not have and cannot physically touch, please contact me because I promise I can help. Also guys, if you haven't already, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It really helps this channel out a lot.
Okay!
One of the most unique ways to monitor text messages on a device that you do not have is through the application Verizon Message Plus. Now guys, here's something really unique about Verizon Message Plus. Verizon Message Plus is an application, not a traditional software in the usual sense. Because of this, you do not need to download it to the target device directly in order to look at all of the messages on that device. Instead, what you're going to do is to send that target device a code. Once you send this 5-digit code to the target device, you're going to put that code into your phone. Then it will sync that device with your online Verizon Message Plus account, and you will be able to see all of the text messages on that phone. But you might be wondering right about now, how do you get that 5-digit code off of the target device if you cannot touch that phone? Now's where the fun part starts. So I had a client contact me about 3 weeks ago, let's call my client Rachel, who needed me to help her monitor all of the text messages off of her daughter's phone without her knowing. Now, Rachel is a really intelligent woman. She understood that as the parent of that child, she is within her legal rights to simply take the phone from her child and look at the text messages that way. The problem was that she did not want her daughter to know that she was being spied on. So instead, she contacted me to do it for her instead, which I was more than happy to do. After talking with Rachel further, we come up with a plan where she would tell her daughter that she had just won a brand new free iPhone 12 Max, and that in order for her to transfer the prize over to her daughter, all she would have to do would be to confirm a 5-digit code through a Verizon representative. So after we get our plan together, I call up Rachel's daughter, and here is what I say. Hello, is Jessica there?
Yes, this is Jessica. May I ask who's calling?
Hi, Jessica. This is Andrew from Verizon. Your mother told you I would be calling, right?
How can I help you, Andrew?
Well, Jessica, as your mother has told you, she has just won a free iPhone 12 Max Pro and wants to transfer the prize over to you. And in order to do this, we're going to need to confirm you are who you really are through a 5-digit code sent to your phone. If it's okay with you, we'll go ahead and send you the phone right now, and you can read it back to us.
Yes, that would be great. I'm really excited. I can't wait to get my new phone.
So I then send the code over to her daughter, which allows me to link her phone with her mother's account. And then Rachel can secretly read all of the text messages off of her daughter's phone without her ever knowing. It was really easy, and it only took about 10 minutes. Guys, thank you so much for checking out my video. If you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for stopping by again, and I will see you next time. Bye.